Like da 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 da. A black sheet, a gift from the sea. Why is Kimbap skim called Kim? 맛있는 김밥 그 김밥의 김은 왜 김이라고 부를까요? It even shined in K-pop demon hunters. The secret began 400 years ago in Jeolla province. Carried by the coastal breeze, a tiny seaweed clung to the tree's leaves. 기묘히 tasted, amazed by delight. Thus history's door opened that night. Whoa! Gim, gim, gim. Why is Kimbap skim called Gim? Gim, gim, gim. From Mr. Kim, that's where it begins. Everyone shout, delicious Gim. Korea's treasure, the world's taste, Gim. In 1640 in Gwangyang, Jeolla province, Kim discovered a treasure from the sea. He dried the seaweed on woven straw mats, and its taste reached the royal table of the king. The king asked, what is this food called? But no one knew the answer. A servant replied, it was made by Mr. Kim of Jeolla province. The king smiled and said, then let us call it Gim. 그렇다면 이름을 Gim이라 하라. From that day on, Gim became Korea's timeless name. Gim, Gim, Gim. Why is Kimbap skim called Gim? Gim, Gim, Gim. From Mr. Kim, that's where it begins. A name loved all around the world. Gim. Korea's treasure, the world's taste. Gim. Now you know, don't you? 이제 알겠죠? 김의 유래. Kimbap skim isn't just seaweed from the sea. It began with one man named Kim. A legacy shining for 400 years. Even today on our table, Kim still shines endlessly bright. Kim still shines. Kim still shines. Kim still shines.